This video is sponsored by Jada Dev, a store of high-quality scripts and maps. Store link in the description.
Hey everyone, welcome to Zexus Development. In this video, we are going to install a chain creator script into our FiveM server. Through this script, you can create your own custom FiveM chains live inside the server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which you are going to install into FiveM server. The link will be in the description below. The script will cost around $30. You just have to click over here and purchase the script into your CFX portal and download the script. After downloading it, we will receive these two files. We have to install them into our FiveM resources. So I'll be installing them over here. Just like this. Now open the documentation of the script. The link will be in the description below. Go to installation. Then copy this line of code from here. Then open the server.cfg. Then paste it over here. Over here we have to provide our FiveM ID. So I'll be providing my FiveM ID over here. Just like this. So this is used to give the permission to open the chain editor to that particular person. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in the server now. Now let's open the chain creator with the command of /chain. So this is the panel of the chain creator over here. And on the left side, you will get all different types of styles for the chain. As you can see, it is not changing the image of the pendant, but basically it is changing the whole model. And on the right side, you will get 13 different types of metal finish like gold, silver, rose, iced, 24 karat gold, white gold and more. And if you scroll down over here, you can select between the pendant. You will get 8 different types of pendant styles. And from here, you can basically adjust the length and the tightness of the chain. It will show how it should hang on the neck. You can even add your own custom logo to be the pendant. For that, scroll down over here. Click on trace shape from image. Select your logo. Then open the logo in the chain creator. So as you can see, our logo is converted to the pendant over here. It will trace the exact shape over here as you can see. So the material of the pendant is same as the chain. If you want your logo's color also to be in the pendant, you just need to check keep image colors. Then select the image again. Now it will add the color as well. Now we just need to adjust the image. So I have adjusted my image. So now it is looking like this. My channel's logo. You can add any logo which you like over here. Now if you scroll down over here, you can adjust the pendant size. Now with these options, you can adjust more details about the pendant. If you look carefully, you can see the changes on the pendant. After the changes, click on Apply Trace Settings. Now after creating the pendant as per your liking, click on Wear It. So it will take some time over here. So we got a notification that the chain is applied to our pad. So as you can see, this is a chain which we have just created over here in my character. So now let's save this chain. For that, click on Save, give it a name, then click on OK. So we can select between these pendants as well. So on the top side, we will get some tools over here. First tool is the text tool. With the help of this tool, we can write text on our pendant. From here, we can change the font style. From here, we can adjust the size. From here, we can change the color. And from here, we can add strokes on our text. And we can adjust the color of the strokes from here. And from here, we can adjust the alignment. And from here, we can adjust the rotation. Now, the second option is for rectangle. If you click over here, you can draw rectangle shape on the pendant. And same with this as well, we can adjust the width, height, color, strokes and rotation. The third option is to add stickers. After selecting it, click over here. And you will get lots of options for the stickers. And you can add it like this. The next option is the brush tool. If you click over here, we can add strokes on our chain. After that, the next option is for eraser. We can erase all the designs with this tool. Now with this option, we can create mask. This is the mask brush tool. this is the eyedropper and this is the heel tool. And from here, we can change the colors. Now over here, we will get a model shape designer. Now these are the 3 handles. With the help of them, we can adjust the size and shape. As you can see the changes over here. The second option is for wire. You can see the changes over here. The third option is for pendant. Now we can design shape of our pendant with this option by adjusting all the anchor points. If you turn off the mirror, it will only change the shape on one side. Now we can directly change the shape of the pendant from here. Now let's save this project. Now let's export our chain. So here we need to give the pack's name and the DLC name for our chain. And over here we have to select the gender. So I'll be creating this chain for both. If you click on lint, it will check the package is correct or not. After that, click on export pack to export the chain. So we got our chain successfully exported. Now if you go to output, you will find your exported pack over here. In the folder, you will get your FX manifest and all the meta files. Now open the stream folder. Here you will get your YMT, YDD and YTD files of your chain. Now you can use this pack in any server you like. So after adding the chain in the server, make sure to restart your server. So after restarting the server, let's check out our chain. So as you can see, we got our first chain over here. And this is our second chain which we have exported in the server. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.